Alright, it's real nice out, a little breezy, a little cool, but bluebird skies. I did not hunt this morning. With all that hunting over the weekend, I needed to catch up on sleep a little bit. Anyways, we're out here for mid to late morning, see if we can find a lonely midday bird. A buddy of mine was hunting a private farm this morning. He said he hadn't heard gobble. He seen the birds were there, seen them with hens and whatnot, but they were not talking. So I don't have high hopes that birds are going to be gobbling much, but it only takes one bird who's in the right mood to turn a hunt around quick. So that's what we're hoping for. I got lucky. I don't think he's seen me. He's got his head up right now, but he's just walking away slow, feeding. Alright, he put his head back down. This looks like he's not going to be interested, but hey, we gotta try. Our bird has just walked away. We need to swing wide, get around him, because he's between me and where I'm trying to go. But we don't want to spook him, because he may be in the mood later today. Come back and try to call him in again later. Come on, take a step. Dude, go away. He finally moved. All I can see is one hen and one jake. I need to get out of these woods. I'm gonna just keep bumping birds. Get in a more open area. Yeah, almost walked out on that strutter. That's the field I came in through. I doubt that's the one I saw. We would have had to backtrack and cut over here. It would make sense if you had a hen. It would make sense why I didn't answer my call. That might be a different bird. I don't know. It's a bird. Got a gap right here. So there's a rise, which is great. He's on the other side of that rise in the green field. This bird's sticking his head up over the rise. He caught movement, but he's not spooked, but he's starting to walk away. Give him a couple yelps. Dadgummit. He was right over that rise. I was afraid he would do that. I should have gone a little slower. I know he was strutting when I first saw him, but I don't know if he actually had a hen. I think he was just strutting, trying to hoping he could drum up a hen. So right now he's by himself. It's about 1:30. Everything's been quiet. I haven't seen that bird show up. He's probably in the shade or in the woods somewhere. We're gonna ease out of here real careful, go back to the truck, get a snack, maybe charge my phone or something, and just hang out, come back out after a little while and find a place to set up and see what we can do with these birds, hopefully get one fired up. Alright y'all, it's 2:40. Couldn't wait any longer. Check this green field real quick. I'm gonna go run a loop in the opposite direction that I went earlier. I hit a call a couple times, see if I can strike one up. I just walked up on Gobbler sitting in the shade on the edge of the field. I ducked down, I know he saw me. He didn't move, but I ducked down, I can't see him. He's probably gonna run off. I hate field birds. I just crawled over to the field edge in the shade here. Let's stand up and look through this bush. Just popping a strut. Popped in a half strut, I think. He's not too concerned. He was on the other side of that patch of woods, coming to the left, like towards this gap in the field. I'm just sitting here and call. Saw him through the brush full strut. He's not far. He just has to come around the corner. I just saw a hen through the brush. He's got hens. They're on the other side of this patch of thicket I'm sitting in. I'm probably gonna slip through the thicket real slow and see if I can peek out into the other field, figure out where these birds went, where they're headed. Birds Houdini'd me. I just spotted them in the next field. He ain't gonna leave that one hen. He's still following her. They're ahead of me now. I'd like to get past him to the next field, see if I can strike up another bird, but It's kind of hard to get around these birds without them seeing me. He was almost close enough. I think I could have killed him, but it was in that questionable zone. It's hard to judge how far a turkey is in a wide open field, and wasn't comfortable with it, so he didn't get shot at. Better let him go than to wound him and watch him run away. Maybe catch up with him later. I just took off and swung wide, tried to get ahead of him. I saw which way he was going. It wasn't anywhere near where I saw that one hen. I'm wondering if they're leaving him. He looked like he was on a mission though. He was just walking this way, so hopefully I'm ahead of him. He should be straight that way in that green field coming towards me. Of course, it's a field bird. He could change direction and go somewhere else, but I'm gonna sit here, give him a couple yelps and wait. He went wherever he went to go roost, I guess. I could stay till dark, try to get a roost gobble, but I'm not even gonna fool with it. It's frustrating. Don't really like field birds. Actually, I hate field birds, but they're kind of addictive when they're staying out there all day. I mean, he's in this field and he's in that field, then he's got hens and he doesn't. I thought I had him. I was very close to killing him. 50-50 chance. I either come here tomorrow or I say screw it and go back to the hardwoods. We'll see. We'll find out tomorrow.